So this video is brought to you guys by our good friends over at Separatec. At least I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure. They sent me over this to review for you guys because apparently I'm the underwear dude now. I'm glad I could be your guide. So what do y'all say we dive into these and I show you what it's about? We're gonna switch over to hat mic now. Everyone say goodbye to spatula for now. Bye spatula. There's 3? I thought it was 2. Oh, it's 2 pouch underwear. So there's 2 pouches. I know this isn't usually my style, but this is what they sent over, so we're gonna give it a go. So their claim to fame here is the inside. It turns into a puppet. No, that's not it. It's got a pouch on the inside for you to stick your banana, just like that. And then a spot for you to stick your boys, just like right there. Except they're all connected and they won't fall out like that. There is that pouch that goes on the inside right there for your banana, and also has that kind of access that is like a upside down fly, and kind of keeps things separate, keeps them cool. So let's give these a go and see how they fare for this body. Gotta make sure everybody's in their normal spot. To be quite honest, it's different, to say the least. Not used to having that separation, but I could totally see that would be great for hot days, especially here in Texas. So the great thing is if you guys use Robert Hand at checkout, you get 15% off. If you want to give this a try yourself and keep your banana. I'm Neil Armstrong in it, I only have one. And your boys, there's 2 here, separate on those hot days to stay cool. That's what I meant to say. Give them a go. They have different styles, all that good stuff. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you've tried them. I haven't heard of them before. They're available on Amazon as well, but I don't think the discount code works there. That being said, that's all I have for you guys today. Give them a try. See if it's something that you're interested in, if it's something that you might get behind. I know that my typical underwear style isn't what everybody likes, so I like to try a variety of things, make sure there's something for everybody. Again, everyone here is welcome, from different styles of underwear to different walks of life. I'll see you guys on the next one.